CentOS is a popular Linux distribution that is commonly used for servers. Here are some basic commands and concepts to get you started. Logging in. To log into CentOS, you'll need to use the terminal. Once you've booted up your CentOS machine, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. After entering these, you'll be taken to the command line prompt. File system navigation. CentOS uses a hierarchical file system, with the root directory denoted by /. Here are some basic commands to navigate the file system. cd, change directory. ls, list files and directories. twd, print the current working directory. enter, create a new directory. touch, create a new file. Package management. CentOS uses the yellow dot updater, modified, package manager to install and manage software. Here are some basic commands. search, package name, search for a package. install, package name, install a package. remove, package name, remove a package. update, package name, update a package. User management. In CentOS, users and groups are managed through the command line. Here are some basic commands. Useradd, username, create a new user. Username, change the password for a user. Usermod ag, group name username, add a user to a group. Userdel, username, delete a user. Networking. CentOS can be configured to connect to the internet or other network devices. Here are some basic commands. iconfig, show network interface information. Ping, IP address, test connectivity to a device. IP route show the routing table. System+start, service, start a network service. System+stop, service, stop a network service. These are just a few of the basic commands and concepts used in CentOS. There's much more to learn, but hopefully this gives you a good starting point.